Yo, what's going on guys? My name's Jack and welcome back to a brand new video. Now, in the last episode, we built this absolute monster truck pretty much. 3-inch lift, new tyres, spray painted a bunch of stuff and did absolute work on it. So if you didn't see that, go check it out in the last episode. But in this episode, we're literally driving it down to Barcelona and to Organya finally. Haven't been there for over a year, haven't got the chance to train in over a year because of injury and a bunch of other adult things. Let's not waste any time, let's get into it. It's just ridiculous how much stuff we were taking. Still packing, still packing, still packing. Oh my god, I can't believe we're still doing this.
Two shortest guys. Is he putting the finishing touches on and claiming all glory?
Oh my god, this is it. This is it. We're in the Porsche and going. Check front side lights. Oh, now another one. It's fine, it's lighting up like the 4th of July. We're gone, I can't believe it. After a manic week, now in again, roof rack on. Lee was putting in absolute shift. It's now 9 o'clock. Just had to go and pick up the old car. So today I've done 170 miles. So that's the stress test done. I broke down 3 times. We got an issue with the fuel pump, we think. But we just don't let it drop below quarter in the tank. So that means we've done 300 in total for the stress test. And then a good 1,500 miles down to Organya in a Wanner. We got a jack, we got a toolbox, we got a compressor. If it's the front left, we're just gonna have to set fire to the car because Shrek pretty much welded that on. If the diff goes, the only thing that I'll be keeping from the car is the key. And Mitch forgot his passport. Let me just check I've got mine. Oh yeah, it's there. Good.
It's almost like it's on the #1 for checklist when you go away. Do you know the worst bit about this? What? It's not the first time I've done this. I don't think it's going to get boring either.
We're supposed to arrive 4 minutes after our train is leaving.
So Jack's just realised the gravity of what he's done.
I'm watching that fuel gauge. I'm going to have to tape over that, that's what I'm going to have to do.
Just put a smiley face on, like they do with the motorbike while they're racing.
Smiles per gallon, smiles per gallon, smiles per gallon. There's a tenner.
It's the great sounding tenner boats.
The best sounding tenner I've ever heard.
Why are we like this, Jack?
Yeah. And I just felt like that is so hot in my crotch. It's in my crotch. No! Oh my god, it's inside the cup holder. Why didn't you pick that up? I told you. What did I say? You could pour off away. Give me a break, mate. And we just harnessed thunder.
We need to name it. What's it called?
Thunder.
It's called Thunder.
Oh, there's been a leak. There's been a spillage. We basically come through, just don the documents. Then yeah, no probs, Jack. Give me a little fist bump. Walk through. Police waved me on, said right GP, no probs, tip my hat, walked through that as well, near breezed it, got searched for drugs, classic, searched the skinhead, random selection every single time, lo and behold, no drugs, come through, he just waved me on and said, Jack, you're back again. I said, I know mate, hi, how you doing? Let me on, and I was just waiting to get on. Mate, I was on time, the train was early. We found a fuel pump issue. There's a bit of a clicking, but we know to keep it above quarter of a tank. And it's laughing from the exhaust note. She sounds.
Speaking of notes though, how many have you spent? Wild crap.
It's getting on for about 50p a mile, which is pretty disgusting. I don't know whether I'm getting old or just less motivated to do these drives, but usually I just one bang it, just get off the train and I'd be dead eager to get some miles in, dead eager to get some sleep in now if I'm honest.
feeling after your nap? Not good.
We're on like how many fill-ups now? 53? Sounds about right. Tell you what, they deliver the petrol much faster here.
You go through it much faster as well. Any problems with the car?
There's a clicking. There's a clicking that we don't like. Is it drive shaft? Is it in our heads? Car's costing me a lot of money to fuel. Should have seen that coming. Putting a jack up that's not big enough. I'm ready to go back now. We should just turn back. Don't have to fix it, we'll just drive back, send it to Lee's.
What is the problem again? The knocking, right?
Yeah, there's a little like little man with a hammer in the bonnet.
Buy a 19-year-old Porsche, they said. Be a great idea.
Yeah. 13 socket and ratchet, please. That, oh, you terrifying. That was terrifying. I don't even know anymore. Quick update. We are just past Paris, it's 1:30. We spent an hour and a half under the car, looking at bolts, pushing things, prodding things, making sure that there's more noises that there shouldn't be, which there are plenty of. Then we fixed the leak in there in the exhaust. Now I just want to put air up in the tyre, because maybe I can claw a few mpg back. A few sounds a bit bold, maybe half a mile per gallon. We're pulling over for fuel again, but like as I said, we're only using half a tank at a time because the fuel pump is on its last leg, so we can't let it drop below a quarter, otherwise it starts to struggle. So using only half a tank, and we're going like 200 miles at a time, stopping, filling up, so it's not that bad. We're stopping a lot more than we would do usually. It's been pretty epic though. It's been sweet as a nut, hasn't it? It sounds amazing.
Sounds incredible. It makes up for like every little worry you might have, like the little knob there. Just put your foot down, you're like, ah, I forgot.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, the thing is, over that like beautiful V8, you can't hear anything. Not even green thoughts. Right, let's fill her up. My legs are numb. To 9th of August. Finally in Organya. Now we're just going to head into the house. I'm not going to show you that because it's someone's house that we're staying at, a friend of ours, so I don't even remember when we set off. We've done like 1,200 miles in the Porsche since we finished building it on Friday. Managed to go and get the Eurotunnel at whatever time it was after fitting the roof tent, turning back to get Rich's passport because we forgot that, missing our first train, nearly getting our second train but being too dozy because we were getting hot chocolates, missing the second one, finally getting the third train. Then by the time we find a petrol station on the other side to fill up at, because the first one was closed, we then fall asleep at the petrol station for 3 hours. Then we set off, then we spend 2 hours messing around in a car park checking that the drive shaft is broken, which we're pretty sure it is. I'm finally here. I'm just going to go to sleep and enjoy a bed and a shower and feeling clean and not having teeth that feel like they're going to fall out of my mouth any second. But right now I'm going to go get some sleep, pack all my equipment up in the morning, ready to go flying. So if you like the video, please like, subscribe, leave a comment down below. I'll catch you next one.